We are up and Adam this morning barely. It took a lot to get us out of bed. We wanted to keep sleeping. But we are at the Javarina house. I can probably say that better, but I don't know how. But it's adorable. And you'll see video of the inside last night when we got here. But we are about to head to the park to go find some waterfalls. So here we are. We just got parked. We're up on the bridge. We are about to go to the entrance and get our tickets. Mom's GoProing. So we made it. We haven't even gotten in the park yet. Well, we're like just through the entrance. And we're already so excited.
Now do we...
So amazing.
We can't ride down to that footpath, right?
I see a person, but that might be a worker.
The water's prettier when the sun's out.
So we found another lookout point. Somehow we managed to get to ourselves for like a few seconds. Not really sure how that happened. Check out the view. We're headed to P3 to go find the boat. So we found a random path that we went down because it wasn't marked off. It's right next to one of the waterfalls, but Mom's gonna make us go back up now. Go, Mom, go!
Like our regular creek water.
Yeah. Okay, we're getting on the boat. So this is gonna take us over to the other side, I guess. And then we're gonna do some more walking. Walking through the creek falls? I am. Look at these two little snails that managed to climb to the very top of these reeds. What is their plan? What now, little snails? So we're up on top now, walking through the park, but it is beautiful here. We're so disappointed because the lower canyon in the south is flooded, so we can't actually walk down there, so we can only look at it from above, which is pretty disappointing because I really wanted to go down there, but I can't really complain at all. This is amazing. A drone, so we're doing something a little bit different. Insert GoPro footage here.
walk this place again.
We're riding the bus train back down to entrance 1 to get back to our car. We just did the math. We have been walking around for over 7 hours. Sorry. Trying to get out of the way. Trying.